How are you guys doing? I got a part like this. You got a facing, OD turning, drilling, and ID boring. So I would just like to review a simple program just for practice and for somebody that is looking into a little bit more examples of a program or type of program. So this program is starting with the face. I leave 3000 for finish. I'm using my tools 80 and 55 degrees, both finishes. So with 8000 corner, my depth of cut is 15,000. My surface speed is 300 with 7000 feed rate, M8 for coolant. And then 420 surface speed on finish, 4000 feed rate on finish and coolant. My starting point, since the material is 3/8, is 2.5 inches. I'm removing 20,000 from the face and then going down to 0, and we're obviously finishing my going on a Z that was already preset by me to 0, so I'm not leaving any stock on the face. Now OD turning, so material is 2 inches 375, so I call it 2 inches and 380. We're starting from 0, finish 10,000 on X and 3,000 on a Z respectively. Tools same thing, 80, 55, 40,000 depth of cut. Surface speed 280 and 7000 feed rate. Finished surface speed is 420 and 4000 feed rate. This is simple, just follow it. So we do a one line with 20,000 corner, which is technically, let me see, as you see, 20,000 corner. So this dimension is 1 inch and 573, as you see over here, and we're going from here to that face 191,000. Then we're doing just a brick corner on this top section, so we're breaking corner 15,000, and then the outside diameter is 2 inches and 255. We're going 240,000 deep. Now a turning drill, so technically 1 inch drill diameter, so T drill drill diameter. My pattern for cutting is number 1. Depth of first cut is 1 inch, and these are automatically populated. 150 surface speed, 3000 feed rate, and we're only drilling from 0 to ½ inch. Bar in, cutting point starting. We're starting at 1 inch since we have a 1 inch hole. Starting from the beginning, so from a 0, respectively 10,000, 3,000 finishes. 3/4 bar finish, so it's with 8,000 insert, 40,000 depth of cut, 260 and 420 surface speeds, 6,000 and 4,000 for roughing and finish. First line, we're breaking a small radius, 10,000 corner, breaking the corner with 10,000 radius. My final point, we are going at 1 inch and 380,000, 60,000 deep. In the second line, same thing is we're breaking corner with 10,000 radius. Now it's at 1 inch and 120 and 600 deep. And as you see, this is that 1 inch and 380. This is that first line, as you see over here. And the remaining material, that's gonna be that 1 inch and 120 and 600 deep. So this is a very simple part. This also I'm gonna have to rotate later, finish this off and cut this remaining stock. That's why I throw a small chamfer in here, so that way I can cut it and the chamfer is already gonna be there. So if you're gonna look at this, so the actually finished diameter of this outside collar is 2 inches and 250,000. I went 5,000 higher, so I still have a little bit stock left, and I threw in a 15,000 chamfer. So once this is gonna get removed, plus that 5,000 off of this dimension, it will leave me a 10,000 chamfer, and I don't have to worry about using a 55 or grooving tool to come down here and try to scoop it up, because I already have very little holding, as you see, for this diameter. The cuts and like I said, the speeds and everything are pretty modest because it's aluminum, like I said, not a lot of holding. Now, as you see over here in these patterns, I do my facing 1 rougher, OD turning rougher 2, then I go to the drill as number 3, and then I come and finish number 4, finish face, and finish OD number 5, and then rough, and finish my ID number 6 and 7. I don't like to finish faces and outside usually when I drill, because sometimes the part can shift a little bit and you might lose that concentricity. So all my finishes and everything I usually leave after I'm done with the drilling, especially if you use a lot of drill. This one is not the case, but it's a good habit to remember those things. All right, guys. Thank you.